Hey there, artists! Today we are going to look at how to make an elephant. We're going to make a simple elephant shape that you can then color, paint, or fill in however you choose while you're working at home. This elephant design can be found on Artprojectsforkids.org. So if you need the step-by-steps, check them out over there. Or you can just follow along with me. You're going to need a piece of white paper and a pencil or a crayon or pen or anything to draw with. I'm going to start with a pencil. I like to start the elephant with its back. My steps may be a little bit different than the ones on the tutorial, but it doesn't matter as long as you get a nice, beautiful elephant in the end. I like to start with a curve right here for its back. Then I put a bump. And I come down and make a curve for the belly. The leg. And a bump for the bottom of the head. Now I might change these shapes a little bit later, but right now I'm just putting them in their right places. Next I can bring the top all the way down, around, and make my trunk. Now my elephant's head ended up getting a little squashed. I think I didn't make my bump up here big enough, but that's why I started with the pencil. I can smooth it out and erase the parts I don't want. I think I might adjust this big bump too. Take your time and fix your shapes up the way you like them. That's a little bit better. Right here is where the nice big elephant ear is going to go. And the eye is over here. Now, the rest of your elephant is up to you. You can decide how you want to decorate it. Maybe you want to add some toes or lines on its trunk to show those wrinkles. Maybe your elephant is decorated for a parade or a wedding and has a colorful blanket and beaded headdress. You can put lines around the eyes and to show where the knees are. Take your time and really enjoy decorating your lion. When you're done decorating, don't forget to either paint it or color it in. If you're doing this for a grade for me, make sure you take a picture and send it to me through Canvas. Have a great Gator Day.